Hello and welcome to Tech Talks. I'm Ezra, and today we're going to talk about those little secrets in Scratch.
And I'm Tommy. Today we're going to show you how to make a main page in the game and some easy hacks that'll really help you out.
Let's get into it.
Okay, this is our Scratch main page, and it's just YouTube example for now. I went ahead and changed the backdrop to a sky blue backdrop, and so the key thing about the main page is you have to make a button, which is this one. And to make a button, you can really do any shape. And now I'm just going to do a square here. And
here we see Tommy making a button.
Yep, that's a button.
Using text right there.
Yeah. And then you just go here, move it, and what we do is we make a script.
So if we click on events, and when this sprite clicked, let's go to looks, then switch to backdrop.
And we have to make a backdrop first.
We have to make a new backdrop. So let's just do the bedroom, the brick wall one. And we press OK. Then when we go back, then let's change the backdrop first to the light sky blue backdrop one. Then go back to the sprite down there. Then as you see on it, it says when the sprite click, it will switch backdrop to, you want to click on the down arrow, then brick wall 1. Then if we click on the sprite, then as you see, it changes to the backdrop. When backdrop switches to brick wall 1, it can hide, so it goes to a different backdrop. We can hide it so you don't see it anymore.
Right, and that's very important because if you go, so let's go back to the backdrop, and you have to make sure that you not only have, when it switches the backdrop to the backdrop you want it to go to when you click on it, you make it hide, but also you need it to show when it goes back to that main page.
Or whatever that backdrop is.
So you see, we click it, and it goes away. So now Ezra's going to explain how to make a back button.
Alright, yep. Alright, so first we want to go to the paint new sprite. So right down there where Tommy just showed, and then we're going to want to use the rectangle tool. Then as you can see, Tommy clicked on the color, so that's the border color. Then let's draw it. So you just click, then you can change the size, whatever you want. Then we're going to go to the text. We're going to go to the paint. Then we're going to fill in the rectangle with whatever color you want. We're going to go to the text. Then you can change the color of the text, and you're just going to type back or whatever, as Tommy showed. And then you can drag and size the back to whatever size you want, or whatever. Alright, then if we go back to the scripts of it, if we go to events, when the sprite clicked, then if we go to looks, switch backdrop to whatever backdrop you have. That could be, main menu, backdrop 1, or whatever. And then we're going to go to events again. Or as you see down here, Tommy has his backpack open. It's like an endless kind of script thing. So, then we can also go to motion. If we go to motion, then you can make a go to a specific spot. So when backdrop switches to main or whatever your page is, backdrop 1. If you click on go to, it will go to that location. So
I'm Tommy Grave, production crew. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope this was just fun to watch and learn and how to make a new Scratch game. If you're wondering how to, if you want to know how to make a new Scratch game, you can always go to the tips right here. Then it has a bunch of things you can learn.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yep. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.